what a big girl. Hi. Are you happy, baby? What do you have? Do you have something? Oh. Oh, yeah, got your pumpkin? And where's the kitty kitty on your shirt? Is there a kitty kitty on your shirt? Where is it? Where'd the pitty pitty pat go on your shirt? Get your pumpkin. Oh, yeah. Hi. Look for Dad. Oh, good. Are you excited for Halloween? Oh, boy.
You want to put? What do you want to put? Push him around.
Oh.
You both.
Oh, yeah, I could have both. How's that work?
Little Cookie Monster over here.
Oh, one-handed. Wow. What a big girl. Oh my. You shopping? You do some shopping? Yeah, I got that pumpkin there. Yeah, it is.
Look in there.
What's that, good girl? Piece of art up here. There you go. Off to the shop again. Get some goodies. We got you some goodies. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Oh.
You want to go around and go back one way?
Oh, boy.
This way.
I gotta get that pumpkin there, Dada. Get your pumpkin. Yeah, come on over. Do you want me to have your pumpkin? I'll take your pumpkin. Oh, no. Keep your pumpkin. That pumpkin. Oh. Hi.